You can, it's weird. You can feel this almost like, how do you describe that? The theme for this month's Ipsy is Stay Golden. And it is that July is a state of mind, that we should take our time to soak in the moment, live in the moment, which, yes, I personally struggle with and always try. I've been trying to live in the moment. I feel like since I was a kid, I've struggled with that. But that is the theme. So yes, golden goddess, soaking up the sun, getting some vitamin D, right? If you haven't already, I'd love if you would hit that subscribe button so that you will be notified when I review these products and past Ipsy products that I receive and do other fun makeup and skincare related items. Let's start with the Ipsy Glam Bag. This is $12 a month and you do get to pick one item from the bag when you do your customization. So here is what this month's bag looks like. It has a little bit of the blue detail there and the zipper pull is a sun. If you're looking for some ideas on how to use your bags up, I use them. I put hair clips in them, nail files, Q-tips, bobby pins, so that kind of stuff, and then I just set it in the drawer. So we are going to start with, this is the First Aid Beauty Hello Fab Pores Be Gone Matte Primer with Fig Extract. Full size is $30, and then so if you divide out the ounces, that equals about $6 for this one. There was no seal to pull off. It feels nice and creamy, smooth. It's not as like slippery or slick as like the Smashbox primer. I'm just now kind of starting to use primers just in this area. So the other thing that I got was the Briogeo Superfood Avocado and Kiwi Hair Mask. Could not find this size for sale. So if you divide out the full size into this equals about $4.50 for this one. We got 3 makeup items. So this is from Nomad Cosmetics. This is such a good idea. So this comes from a full-size palette. I have some other palettes, but I don't have this one. If you want to see a video about their new palette, American Parks, I'll link that up above and down below. But look at this cute little thing. So this is one of the shadows from the palette. Isn't that just so cute? Such a good idea. So if you divided out how many shadows are in the palette and the weight with this one, this is about $2.45. We also, this is the Kat Von D Cake Pencil Long Wearing Eyeliner in Trooper Black. Now this they do sell in this size and it retails for $11. The other makeup product and the last item that I got in my Ipsy Glam bag, and then after I try these on, or as I'm putting these on, we will be going through some other spoilers that you may receive, is Hip Dot. And I have not tried anything from Hip Dot. Pretty much, yeah, every time they do a release, I'm tempted, but I haven't yet. This is one of their blushes, Red Moon. And I couldn't find where they sell this either as this. This is part of a palette, the Moon Queen palette. That full-size palette is $24 and you get 6 shades, so that equals about $4 for this. I'm going to use the blush and this and the eyeliner to do an eyeshadow. Make sure you stay till the end because I am going to give you the total value. Do you ever wear your blushes or bronzers as shadows? Definitely pigmented. Very pretty. I like this for an eye color. I'm assuming with a bigger brush, and I kind of packed it on the brush that it won't be quite this pink on my cheeks, but we will see. I do like a mini because I will probably never fully use an eyeliner, so it doesn't really smudge out all that much. It probably is a good sign that it's not gonna get all over the place. Then this is the Nomad. That swatches like, let's just put it all over the lid, shall we? Yeah, why not? All right, so when I'm finishing my other eye, I just realized that we didn't go over the spoilers. So I'm going to now share with you what else on their site they said that you could get. There is a Tarte Sea Quench Hydrating Primer. The travel size, I couldn't quite see on the description what size comes in the Ipsy, but the travel size that they sell on the Tarte website retails for $16 for that. You could also get a Marc Anthony Deep Conditioning Hair Treatment. And again, I couldn't quite make out the size on the Ipsy spoilers, but I found one that looks like it's the same size, and that retails for $3.49. It looked like it was probably like a 1 or 2 time use product. Grace and Stella, a foaming face wash. And again, I couldn't tell on the Grace and Stella website, they only sell it in full size. So the full size one retails for $18. And I could not tell on the Grace and Stella site or on the Ipsy picture the size of them to really compare. And the other spoiler that they showed was a palette, an eyeshadow quad by Sophia and Maybell, and it was the Cleopatra quad. I actually never even heard of that brand. Have you? And the retail on that one is $18. So if you are enjoying seeing what I received in my bag and also hearing about the other spoilers, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up down below so I know. And I personally love minis. Like I said, like the eyeliner, I wish I could get pretty much all eyeliners and mascaras in minis. That would make me happy. And I'd love to know down below, give me you can write minis in the comments, and that will tell me that you do like minis. If you don't like minis, you could just say full size. I'm just kind of curious, what is your preference? Or do you have a preference? Does it depend on the product? What I'm going to do is finish my face. There's no foundation product, so I'm trying out, this is the NYX Bear With Me Luminous Tinted Skin Serum. So I'll try that out and we'll come back and we'll use the Hip Dot for blush and see what else we got in the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. For the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, here is what that bag looks like. And this is $25 a month and you get 5 full-size products. It is currently only to the US, and you do get to choose 3 products that go in here. All right, so we have the Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. You get 6 pairs in here, and these retail for $25. So I will use these and for sure do a little Instagram post about them or a story wearing them. This I've never heard of. Dr. Eve Ruth Youth? I'm not sure. It's a limited edition vitamin C night moisturizer. And here's what that looks like. And this one is, on their website, it is in pounds. And so it translates as of right now to $83 US dollars. And we have some brushes. I always love brushes. All right, so this is a brush set, and it is the Gold Goddess brush set. So you get 3 brushes for $30. All right, let's see what we got. We have, I want to know, do you keep these things, or like the plastic things that come on brushes? I always feel like I should, because maybe it helps keep the shape, and I'll like keep them for like one time, but then after like a couple cleanings, I never make them back on. But do you keep them? I don't know. Okay, so we have the Golden Gem Bronzer, and these are MOTD. Then this is Get Cheeky With It. Little bit of an angle, and then a supermodel sculpt. Oh, I like the handles, how they have that hammered gold. Feels soft. For the sculpt, the contour that I'm going to use, this is one of the e.l.f. Putty bronzers, but it is in the color Feeling Shady. So it is a more cool tone. So I'm going to use that for my supermodel sculpt. So for lip products, spoiler alert, I do have 1 lip product here down below here on my desk, but if you didn't get the one that I got, the other lip products that you could get possibly is from Fenty, a lip paint in unattached, and that retails for $25. I'm just gonna kind of buff that up. It went on good, I feel like. Or you could get a Tarte Sea Jelly Glaze lip mask in toasted coconut. I bet that smells delicious. Although I guess you wouldn't really want to use delicious for a product, but I bet it smells good. And that retails for $16. Or a minted lip gloss, and that retails for $15. Okay, so for bronzer, this Golden Gem bronzer brush, I'm gonna get the old standby, the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. Smells like summer. Ooh, this brush is nice. This is super soft. Oh yeah, this is a great bronzing brush because I feel like on my forehead, I always get too much and then have to really work at getting it to blend out, but this one is nice. It's really fluffy, kind of tapered up. Other skincare items that you could have received in your box. A Juice Beauty moisturizer made with pomegranate, and that retails for $32. So I'll just put it up on the screen here. It's a hyaluronic acid and depuffing eye serum. $127. That better work like magic. Citrus gold oil that has 24 karat gold flecks in it, and it retails for $32. And I'm not sure if I'm saying it right. Maybe Dermadelli. I don't know. If you're new to my channel, I am terrible at pronunciation. I am so sorry if you are an English teacher or stickler for that, but it's just who I am. You also could have got another Hip Dot item. It is a face palette. It wasn't the same one. This one is from the Moon Queen, but the face palette that you possibly could get is called Goddess Face Palette. Retails for $24. All right, so let's try this get cheeky with it brush with this blush. So this is a little bit of an angled brush, which a lot of times I use angle more for bronzer, but it does kind of fit into the cheek nice. That is some pigmented blush. This is the Il Makiage Black Card Lift, Curl, and Length Mascara. And this retails for $25. It is vegan. Oh, look at it. Here is what it looks like. So it's more of kind of that rubbery wand than like the Better Than Sex or the Lash Paradise, how they're like more of that brush style fluffiness. Oh, wow. Okay. It's weird. You can feel this almost like, you can feel the mascara like brushing or coating your lashes. I'm not exactly sure how else to describe it. You can usually feel mascara, I feel like, when you're putting it on, but this feels different. I'm trying to think how else I would describe it. The only thing I can just think of, like, it almost feels like you can feel it coating like every single lash. I don't know if that makes sense, but wow. Let's see what it does to the bottom. Yeah, like, I don't know if I like that part. A couple of my lashes must have come out. All right, the last item I received before we get to, there is a couple extras in the box for being an Open Studio member, and then we're gonna add it all up and give you the value. This is Artist Couture. Oh, I've been wanting to try this. Not this particular, but I've been wanting to try this brand. So this is the Delicious Silky Lips, and it is a lip oil. Here's what that looks like. And this retails for $20. Oh, what is that smell? Oh, that smells good. Okay. Well, there's no color on this one. I wasn't sure with that if it would just be, it's got a little bit of iridescent pink. The applicator is nice and big. It really is easy to apply, and it's super soft. So I like that. It is a little bit like, you gotta push it down, really pull it up. Put on the Makeup Revolution Friends Rachel lip liner, and then I just use my fingers to pat this on, because I don't like to apply it over color and then dip back in until I'm almost done with it. Let's start with the Ipsy Glam Bag. Add up everything. The value of my bag is $27.95, and again, it retails, or it costs $12 a month. So I think that's good. I like this bag this month. The value of my box, before we get to that, I know, suspense, huh? Let me just show you one thing. Actually, two things. There is Refreshments line, which is part of Ipsy. You can have added onto your monthly. You can get razors and natural deodorant, body lotion, shaving gel, that kind of thing, or well, shaving cream, which is what this is. And I have tried this before, and I always used disposable razors before, but I'm a convert now. I like real razors. And I really liked this shaving gel. So I pulled the one that I already have opened. So I just thought I would show you how it looks. If you are interested, here's how that looks. And yeah, it just blended on and it just made, I mean, I got such a smooth shave. So just as an FYI, if you go to the Ipsy site, in the middle there's Refreshments. You can click on that and learn all about that. It is a program where if you want things to be automatically refilled to you, you can, and they will add that on. And then just as an extra, I don't know, let me know if you care about seeing this or not. This is an extra for being part of the open studio, and it is a wrap. So that's pretty cool for the summertime. It's that wrap. So nice. Thank you, Ipsy and Au Soleil. I think I'm saying that right. So the value of the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, the cost is $25. The value is $183. So for me, that is a great value. Even if I wasn't gifted this and I was a subscriber to the service, I would have liked it because I'm happy with everything. The only thing that is a question mark is this moisturizer. So yay! Thank you so much to Ipsy. I really appreciate it. Thank you for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. And since we are in July, I'd love to hear down below what are your plans for this summer. And if you want to see what I have gotten in previous Ipsys, you can click on any of the videos that are popping up. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you're not already, hit that subscribe button if you want to see upcoming videos on reviews of these products and other makeup and skincare items. So thanks again. Have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you later. Bye. Have a good weekend.